we need to say this is the syntax. Now is equal to whatever the value you want to change. Suppose 6 I want to, then termination. So what it indicates there, so only so all the values will be printed one by one. Okay, what I did here, I have, suppose if I want to get to x to change, how can I change a value at any index of an array? So I want to change value at 0 index. The syntax is what? You write variable name x, then index is equal to this value, but it is to be terminated. This is very every line of statement instruction in Python, in Java, not Python, C, C++, every line of instruction or statement, they need to be closed with the semicolon. So now 89 at 0 index I have assigned. Now I want to get this value at 0 index. So printf format specifier I have used, mean this format specifier indicating that this x variable holding integer values. This is next line of character I have used here, otherwise values will be printed beside of one to other. Okay, at 0 index I want to. Now if you run this code, you stop this code, abort means stop, build and run. So it is giving error. Why? Because here no need to write your int. Okay, no need to write, simply you run this code, build and run. Printf, this is what. Now what happened? So this is what, whenever I run this code, okay, build and run, so you will get this. So here at 0 index 89 I am getting what? 89. But before that, whatever the values are here, 10, 15.5, 20, 15, they are displaced, means they are being displayed here. Okay, with the, but after that I have written the code. Now this total code is in for loop. As per the for loop, whatever the values of this array, they have been displayed. Okay, but then after, now your for loop is closed. This is open brace, this is a closed brace. So then after I have written the code that 89 is placed at 0 index, means I want to change a value at index of any array. So at 0 index I want to change 89. Then after I try to get the print of that is what, at 0 index of x variable, it is an array. So format specifier I have used here, means I am indicating that this x variable holds integer type. In this place you can use d also for integer. Okay, now if I want to get again all this, you copy this code. Okay, you copy and you now come down here, you paste here again one more for loop. If I want to, for int I is equal to 0, I plus 2, I int plus. So now what happened, your total list will be printed again. See, now what happened, initial 10, 15, 20, 15. Now then what, 89 will be given. Why? Because you have added 89. Okay, and you want to get particular at 0 index whatever the value. Understood that? Okay, so then after, from 89 to 15, 20, 15, because your value is replaced with 89, this value is replaced with 89. Understood that? This, what is the meaning of this statement? 5 means that single value stored in your Vasu variable. Okay, and then the total list array displayed 10, 15, it is rounded I told you that if you pass float value in a array, it will accept, but at the time of printout, it will round up that. Okay, and 10, sorry, 15. Then after 20, 15. So what is this 89? Because at 0 index, I have changed the value of 0 index by this code. What is that code I have? This is the code I have written. So at 0 index, how can I change a value at any index of an array? At 0 index, I have kept this value 89. So now it is changed. Okay, then that's why I am getting this result 89. After that, again one more time I have used for loop to get the total values one by one. So at 10 place 89 replaced. So starting 0 index 89, 15. Now this 10 is replaced with 89. 89, 15, 20, 15. This is the result. Okay. One more way to create an array in C. One more way to create array in C. In C is C language. So that is what simply int, then variables, take any variable, suppose y, okay, and then square brackets. Okay, after that, here within this square brackets we need to say how many elements I want to store. After that, semicolon. So here array, I told you that array means square brackets, array name y is integer type. How many elements this array will hold? 3 elements. Then after, I need to pass the values what at 0 index is equal to, suppose 5, not 5, suppose 55. Okay, next is termination, next variable name, and then brackets 1 is the index. At 1 index, how many values what the value? 56. Termination, how many values I have mentioned here? 3 values, only 3 values. 2 values already I have stored. Next again variable name, square brackets. Okay, within this at second index position is equal to 57. Termination. So like that, how many values I have stored? Initially you have declared the array with three values. So 3 values you can fill up. Okay, you can fill up only 3 values because you have declared the array with 3 elements. So you can store only 3 values. Okay, if you want to store one more value, it is not possible. Once array is created, you can't change the size of the array. This is the size of the array. Size means how many values are there. That is called size. So now if you want to get this, you copy this total one more time. You copy this code to get all the values one by one. You type, you paste here, you paste, but you need to say this is as x, not xy. Your variable name is y. Okay, now if you run this code, you stop this code, now build and run. So let us see what you are getting here. So this is last these are our values: 55, 56, 57, 89. Why 89? Last at the time of 89, why you are getting 89? That is very important to understand, because 5, 10, 25, 15, then 89. 89 is stored in place of 10. 89, 15, 20, 15. 55, 56, 57, 89. Why you are getting 89? By this another method to create an array, you need to, first of all, you need to know how much of elements you need to store. Once array is created with these 3 elements, then after you want to change the array size, it is not possible. Okay, it is the demerit of this one. Okay.